In today's interest rate markets, let's take a look at the 10-year note futures as they're moving higher today. 10-year note futures are trading higher now for a second session, and today we're looking at the futures market priced at 111.11 off the intraday highs. We did see the futures market into the middle of the 111 handle intraday, but still holding on to a gain here for a second session. And today's levels, we are at the top end of the range for the past month as well. Now, looking at the driving factors today, a couple things influencing the market appears. Number one, revised economic forecasts continue to work their way through the market, and I think that that's having an impact as far as activity, and therefore we're finding a bid in the treasury markets based on some of the revisions about slowing economic growth. Plus, the consumer data last week was weaker than anticipated. So that's a couple of things I think influencing the market. Couple that with general volatility we're experiencing in other asset classes, and particularly when we look at the equity markets as they continue to realize some significant volatility. And I think that that's creating a bid for the treasuries as well, as again we're seeing money rotating out of some of the other more volatile areas of the market. Yields at 10-year yield is down 3.5 basis points today to 422 basis points. We did see an intraday low of 418, so off those intraday lows, but still lower and near the lower end of the yield range for the past month. And what is interesting is just 2 sessions ago, when we did see some selling pressure last week, those yields were at the top end of the 1 month range, and the price action for the 10-year treasuries was at the low end of the price levels for the past month. So in 2 sessions, we've kind of negated a bunch of the selling that the market experienced through March, and now we're moving back towards the top end of that range. Yield curve, we're also seeing that down pretty much across all the different durations, and a little less steep today. We're seeing a flattening of the curve, where the back end of the curve is getting bought up, or a little stronger price action, moving those yields lower relative to the short end of the curve. So we're seeing yields down across the board, but again, the yield curve flattening out. 10-year yields, though, moving back down towards the low end of the past month as far as the range, and with the price action today over that 111 handle and moving towards the middle of the 111 handle at the top end of the 1 month range.